Forgotten username recovery failed on YNAB. You need a budget fix. You're trying to get back into your YNAB account, but the username recovery just keeps failing. You enter your details, click submit, and nothing. It's frustrating, especially when your entire budgeting history is on hold. Most people get this wrong because they think YNAB uses a separate username. But here's the truth, YNAB only uses your email address as your login ID. If recovery isn't working, the most common reason is that you're using an old or incorrect email. Start by checking all your inboxes for past YNAB emails like budgeting summaries or payment receipts. The address that received those is your registered account email. Once you find it, go to the YNAB login page and click Forgot Password instead of Forgot Username. Even though you're not resetting your password, this method confirms whether your email is recognized by the system. If you see no account found, try another email address. Still not working? Make sure you're logging into the correct YNAB version. YNAB 4, the old desktop version, doesn't share credentials with the current cloud-based app. If you used YNAB before 2016, you'll need to contact support for a manual recovery. When contacting YNAB support, provide your full name, any email you might have used, and your billing info if you had a paid subscription. I'll verify your identity and help restore your access. The surprising truth is that in most cases, your YNAB account is still perfectly fine. You're just searching under the wrong address. Once you locate that correct email, you'll be back in control of your budget in minutes. So don't stress when username recovery fails. Remember, on YNAB, your email is your username, and the fix is usually just one correct address away.